Freeletics Fitness Sport Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get fitness apps wrong. They rely on motivation alone, but structured workouts are key. Freeletics combines AI-driven coaching with bodyweight exercises to help you reach your fitness goals anywhere. Freeletics allows users to select goals like fat loss, muscle gain, or endurance, then generates personalized workout plans. No equipment is required, making it ideal for home or travel workouts. For example, if you want to build strength, the app designs daily routines, tracks performance, and adapts intensity based on your progress. The surprising truth is that AI coaching helps users stick to routines longer by adjusting difficulty in real time. Freeletics also provides guided exercises with video demonstrations, nutrition advice, and community support for motivation. However, the premium subscription is required for full AI coaching features. In conclusion, Freeletics is a strong tool for anyone who wants a flexible, adaptive, and guided fitness program without going to the gym. Subscribe now for more honest health and fitness app reviews.